We're about to start a whole journey, flipping this house over and over our heads, but we're really excited. The electric line. They actually wired the fan to a plug. It made the original electricity 2 outlets and had this extension cord, ran all the way over, dropped down through the drop ceiling, and their TV was plugged into it. Oh God. Oh my God. Who did it better?
What is it?
Something we need. Let's do it.
Get your crowbar.
No, we're just not gonna do the whole thing. We're just gonna start in this area right here and see what happens.
Oh, that's what we don't want. That could get real hard.
We're going under the OSB. Is what you're doing.
No, we're seeing if it is the OSB over there.
Okay.
Don't we want to see if it is the OSB over there first? 'Cause this is looking good.
Yeah, but it's dipped, so. This OSB is gonna have to come out. It's warped, it's rotted.
It's gonna be a mess. This is dry.
Yeah.
I need the real
Yeah, I'll find
and a hammer. love this.
Day one, babe. What'd you get yourself into?
Good, put on my glasses.
They steam?
Yeah.
What'd you get yourself into here? We noticed a little sag, so we're thinking they must have removed the weight-bearing wall right here. If you look at the ceiling, you can kind of notice it. Watch yourself, rip that down.
That's green ceiling, baby. That's coming. Oh,
Just yank it, you can get it. And they actually pieced together 2 baseboards because it was such a low point. So our guess is they probably took out a weight-bearing wall that was downstairs. So we're gonna have to re-brace the floor, but we have to get rid of this existing wall and build a new wall. Wow, we're very happy with what we got done in the first day. We got the keys and we went through the trash. We removed the ceiling tile in the living room and rolled up some carpet. We removed the closet and checked the wet spots in bedroom number 2. We tore up the rotting kitchen floor and investigated the sagging wall. We tested paint on the paneling in the front bedroom and we scraped the living room ceilings clean. We were pretty proud of ourselves and kind of shocked how much we got done in a day. If you're enjoying following our journey, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we're going to continue to post daily updates during the demo process.